Window replacement is a major home improvement project that can significantly enhance your home's energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal. For homeowners in West Jordan, staying up to date with the latest trends in home window replacement can help you make informed choices that boost the value and comfort of your property. Here are some of the top trends to consider when upgrading your windows. Energy-efficient windows for cost-saving. Energy efficiency continues to be a leading trend in home window replacement, and for good reason. Modern windows are designed to reduce heat transfer, minimize air leaks, and provide superior insulation. This is especially important for West Jordan homeowners, where weather fluctuations can lead to high heating and cooling costs. Energy-efficient windows often feature double or triple glazing, low E, low emissivity coatings, and insulated frames. These elements work together to keep your home comfortable year-round while lowering your energy bills. For added peace of mind, look for windows with the ENERGY STAR certification, indicating they meet stringent efficiency standards. Expansive glass and larger windows. Natural light has a transformative effect on any living space, making rooms feel more open, bright, and welcoming. One of the top trends in home window replacement is the move towards larger, expansive glass windows. Homeowners are opting for picture windows, floor-to-ceiling windows, and oversized sliding glass doors to bring in more sunlight and create a stronger connection to the outdoors. Larger windows not only enhance aesthetics but also improve mood, reduce the need for artificial lighting, and increase your home's overall appeal. Black window frames for a bold statement. Black window frames are gaining popularity as a bold, stylish choice that complements various architectural styles, from modern and contemporary to classic and traditional homes. The contrast between black frames and lighter-colored exteriors or interiors creates a striking look that adds character and sophistication to any home. Whether you choose black frames for all your windows or use them strategically for accent windows, this trend can dramatically enhance your home's curb appeal. Low-maintenance window materials. Busy homeowners in West Jordan are increasingly opting for low-maintenance window materials that combine durability and beauty. Vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum-clad windows offer long-lasting performance without the need for frequent painting, sealing, or refinishing. These materials resist warping, rotting, and fading, even when exposed to harsh weather conditions. Choosing low-maintenance windows allows you to spend more time enjoying your home and less time on upkeep. Smart windows and automation. The rise of smart home technology has extended to windows, with many homeowners choosing automated and smart window solutions. Smart windows can be controlled with a smartphone, tablet, or voice assistant, allowing you to adjust window coverings, open or close windows, and even change the opacity of the glass with the touch of a button. This trend offers enhanced convenience, improved security, and energy savings, as you can easily control how much sunlight enters your home throughout the day. Soundproof windows for a quieter home. Noise pollution from busy streets, neighbors, or nearby construction can be a concern for many West Jordan homeowners. Soundproof windows are designed with thicker glass, insulated frames, and special seals to reduce noise infiltration, creating a quieter and more comfortable living environment. This trend is especially beneficial for homes located near high traffic areas, schools, or other sources of noise. Reducing noise levels not only makes your home more peaceful but can also improve sleep quality and overall well-being. Custom and unique window design. Homeowners are embracing individuality and personalization through custom window designs. Whether you want a unique window shape, decorative glass, or a specific frame color, custom windows allow you to create a one-of-a-kind look that reflects your personality and complements your home's architecture. Custom designs can include everything from arched windows and geometric patterns to stained glass inserts. This trend empowers you to make your home truly unique while enhancing its value and visual appeal. Impact-resistant and security windows. Safety and security are top priorities for homeowners, and impact-resistant windows are becoming increasingly popular. Designed to withstand extreme weather, flying debris, and even potential break-ins, these windows offer added protection and peace of mind. Impact-resistant windows are particularly beneficial for homes in West Jordan that may experience harsh weather conditions. Upgrading to impact-resistant or security windows not only protects your home but can also lower insurance premiums, providing additional financial benefits. Environmentally friendly window solutions. Sustainability is a growing concern for homeowners, and environmentally friendly window solutions are in high demand. Many window manufacturers are focusing on eco-friendly materials, recycling processes, and energy-efficient designs. Choosing windows with sustainable features helps reduce your home's carbon footprint and demonstrates your commitment to environmental responsibility. Elevate your home with modern window trends. Upgrading your windows is more than just a functional improvement. It's an opportunity to enhance your West Jordan home's style, comfort, and energy efficiency. By staying informed about the latest trends, you can select windows that suit your needs, improve your home's value, and reflect your personal style. Whether you're looking for energy efficiency, security, aesthetics, or low maintenance, modern window trends offer solutions that deliver lasting benefits. Transform your home with a window upgrade that makes a difference.